In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically hide or unhide your dock on your Mac OS. So for me personally, I do prefer it when the dock isn't there and I can have my web pages and stuff like that full screen. So if you are wanting to hide this is a really simple process. So the first thing you will want to do is go to your Apple icon in the top left hand corner, click on your Apple icon, and then you will need to select System Preferences. So once you click on System Preferences, as you can see there is an option now for dock and menu bar. If you click on the dock and menu bar option, it will bring you to this page here where you have a couple of settings, and as you can see around the middle of the page, which is right here, it will say automatically hide and show the dock. So if you check this, as you can see the dock will now be removed, and if you uncheck it, it will come back. So if you want to hide it, as you can see, if you check this, all you need to do to access the dock is go down to the bottom of your page, and then it's just that simple, guys. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.